Hello friends, good evening all of you. So today's session we are going to start about Unit 2 Research Aptitude. So many students think research aptitude is very difficult, but it actually is one of the easiest scoring unit, and if you understand the concept well, that's also clearly. So every UGC NET exam usually includes several questions from this unit. So mastering it can be significantly you improve our score actually. So in this video, we are going to learn what research is and why research is important. What are the characteristics of a good research and different types of research, and what are the things? Just we'll see syllabus also now, and we can see first one syllabus. Research aptitude. What is your syllabus meaning? What are the types and what are the characteristics? And positivism and positivistic approach to research and methods of research. Actually, reasoning types and characteristics also we will get one of the important question. Positivism also. And methods of research, 100% you will get any one method. What is experimental research, descriptive research, historical, qualitative and quantitative methods, everything. And one of the important thing, it's a steps of research. Steps, what are the steps of research over there, and what are the chronological order, decreasing order, increasing order, like this they will ask the questions. And thesis and article writing, what is the format and styles? Sure, it will get one of the important question, format and styles of referencing, and application of ICT in research and research ethics. So this is very important and very easy topic actually. Okay, let's we start. What is the research and what are the characteristics of research today? Then we will move on to the next videos continuously. Okay, first one, what is research? Research is a systematic investigation or inquiry into subject or problem in order to discover, interpret, or in revise facts, theories, applications, and process. So every topic normally we used to see what is the definitions are very important actually. It's because many of the questions actually we will get questions easy level, moderate level, and the difficult level. Yes, so it's easy level means actually they will give definitions directly, and whether they will ask the whether this definition is under this topic or that topic. So if you know the definition, automatically we can get the questions correct actually. So this is one of the important criteria. We have to understand every definition is very for all topics. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of research? So the term research includes two words, especially re and search. So again and again we are going to search. So by and large, the large the re signifies again and search signifies to discover. As indicated by Creswell, research is a procedures of steps used to gather and analyze information to increase our understanding of a particular topic or issue. Research is a capability of studying or learning new things. So we are going to find out the new things. It's a continuous process. It facilitates the finding the answers to a questions by acquiring and understanding the knowledge. Good research skills include inquiry, reading, thinking with great care. So scientists, teachers, and even students are discovering novel ideas and answering the questions. They are creating it a new models and new things. These are the also one of the concept. This one. Next one, daily life research. For example, we can take which study method helps students to remember concept better. Just we are going to see that one one example daily life method. What is the objective for that? So to compare which one is this one group study or self study. So for that one, we have to analyze the method whether divide the students into two groups at real time. Allow one group to study individually and other groups as in making at the groups. To conduct the same test. So conclusion what we are getting depends on that. It's whether it's a group study or self studies, which one is better we can identify. So like this research is a non-stop process actually. Okay, first one, 7 characteristics of research. This is very important. This name itself they will ask you what is empirical, logical, cyclical, analytical, critical, methodical, and reliability. So these are the 7 characteristics of research. First one, what is empirical? Empirical research is based on observation, experimentation, and real world evidence rather than personal opinion or assumption. So, researchers collect data through experiments, surveys, interviews, or observation because means actually decisions are based on facts and evidence. non-belief. It's not a belief only. That's all. That is called empirical. And the logical. So research follows logical reasoning. Every step from identifying the problem to drawing conclusion should be connected and supported by evidence. Like conclusion must follow logically from the collected data. So that's a logical reasoning. Next one, cyclical. Cyclical is a research is a continuous process. Already I told you, continuous and repetitive process. So here actually the finding of one study often leads to new questions and further research. Here, research does not end with the one study. It continues through improvement and refinement. Next one, analytical research. Research involves careful examination and analysis of collected data. It's to identify patterns, relationship, and meaningful conclusion. So analytical means, for example, a company collect customer satisfaction rating from 1,000 users. So the researchers analyze the response using statistical methods to determine which product features influence customer satisfaction the most. So here the data is carefully analyzed before collection of conclusion of drawn. That's all. Next one, critical. Researchers must critically evaluate evidence, methods, and conclusions instead of accepting information without verification. So here was a published, for example, we can take a published article claims that a new medicine cures diabetics. Before accepting the claim, so here another researchers examine the sample size, methodology, statistical analysis, and possible biases. So every claim should be questioned and verified using evidence. Next one, methodical. So here research follows systematic and organized procedure rather than random activities. So each step is performed in a planned sequence. So for example, here we can take research follows a structured methodology. A researcher studying air pollution first defines the problem. Just for example, we are saying air pollution here first we have to define the problem, review previous studies and collection of pollution data and analyze the results and finally prepare the research project report. Yes. So like this, whatever topics is it has to go systematic way, methodical. So a systematic way it has to move. Next one, reliability. Reliability refers to the consistency and repeatability of research results. So if the same study is conducted under similar conditions, it should produce similar outcomes. Example, we can say researchers measure the blood pressure of patients using same instrument on different occasions. If the readings remain consistent, the instrument and the research are considered reliable. So reliable research produces consistent and dependable results. So here every topic I used to give on table. This is for exam purpose notes. So kindly take this table for your as a important note. So first empirical based on observation evidence. This only is more than enough to read keywords while going exam. So collecting a student exam score study online learning effectiveness. So logical means uses sound reasoning. Cyclical means research continues and improves over time. Analytical means involves detailed data analysis. Critical evaluates evidence objectively. Methodical follows a systematic process. Reliability produces consistent results. So again, I have given what are the characteristics of research. So what is a systematic? Means followed and organized process. Objective means free from bias, based on facts. Empirical based on real world data. Replicable, it can be repeated for verification. So like this, we have to take notes for keyword, like a keywords. So every theoretical parts, we have a keywords, we have a definitions, we have a notes it's a basic notes it has to be there. That's all. It's more than enough to crack the theory part. So next we are going to see next class, next videos we are going to see full and full what are the types of research and what are the things. It's a very important new concept we are going to cover. We are with questions also, daily PYQ questions also I'm going to cover. So see the full video and subscribe this channel. And if you want just if you are interested, join in the WhatsApp group and get the notes for paper 1 and paper 2 computer science also. So thank you all of you. Thank you once again.